our dual section refrigerated showcase. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length will be 46 inches in length and a depth of 30 inches and 3/4. And the overall height, we have 41.5 inches. Left and right, we pull out doors to display your products, and the measurements will include 17.5 inches in length by 21 inches in depth. Coming to the bottom, dual slide doors and internal storage for displaying your products. Measurements include 22.5 inches in depth by 42.25 inches in length and a height of 11 inches. Located on the ceiling will be an LED strip, and the bottom will be your temperature control, power with your 110 and 120 voltage plug. Measurements for the bottom portion. Overall length, we have 47.25 inches and a depth of 31.5 inches. Coming to the front, on the top of the showcase will be how your products will look while being displayed. Left and right LED lights that'll point downwards onto the goods that you're showcasing. And coming to the left side, located to the left side of the case will be your ETL certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.